north, west, south, east, and back to north. Oh, hey guys, I'm Justin, and I'm super excited that you're here joining me today for Project Maps. Oh, I'm not looking at my phone right now. I'm looking at my compass. A compass is a tool that shows direction. See? North, east, south, and west. You can download a compass onto your phone, too. Take a look at that. So why is it important to know directions? Well, directions help you get where you need to go. For instance, say your friend invites you over to their house, and they say their house is north. Compass in hand, you just look for where the arrow points to N for north, and off you go. A map can use a compass too. Maps have their own special compasses that look like this, and it's called a compass rose. The compass rose shows you the directions on the map. See? North, east, south, and west. It's important to remember which direction is which, so here's a little trick that I came up with. Repeat after me. Up for north, down for south, out for east and west. There you go. Now, let's take a look at this neighborhood map. This is the town of Cookieville. Now, I have a lot of stuff to do in Cookieville today, and I could use some help planning the route. Do you want to help out? Thanks. Let's use our direction words and the compass rose to help figure it out. Can you help me find the compass rose on this map? Ah, there it is. Thanks. Now let's take a look at all the stuff I gotta do today in Cookieville.
I have to go to a bunch of places in Cookieville, and I need your help planning the route. Let's use the compass rose and our direction words. First, I want to return a library book. The library is west of here. Westward ho, and away we go. From the library, I'm going to visit my friend Mike. He's a fireman at the firehouse. That's north. So north we go. Next up, I have a letter to mail. To get to the mailbox, I need to walk east. Phew, that was a lot to do. But you know what? I think maps are pretty cool.
It's a rap about maps. A rap about maps. North, south, east, west. I look at a map when I'm on my quest. Where am I going? What's the map showing? Is there a lake or a mountain? Or a river that's flowing? It's a rap about maps. A rap about maps. North, south, east, west. Tuck it in my pocket when I'm wearing a vest. Knowing how to read a map. Now that's the key. I've got a few handy. Come on and follow me. Maps, maps, I love to read them. Maps, maps, I love to hold them. Maps, 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 maps. And everybody has trouble trying to fold them. It's a rap about maps. A rap about maps. North, south, east, west. When you're on your journey, maps are the best. That's a rap about maps. A rap about maps.
Where's your favorite place to go in your neighborhood? You know, you can draw your own neighborhood map and use the compass rose to figure out the north, east, south, and west of your neighborhood. There's one more thing I gotta do. I wanna go to the ice cream shop right from here. Which direction do I have to go? Do you think I have to go north, south, east, or west? If you said east, you're right. I have to go east to get to the ice cream shop from here. All right, guys, thanks so much for joining me for Project Maps. I'll see you next time, but for right now, gotta go east for my ice cream feast. And remember to always be clever.